In chemistry, there are two main types of compounds, molecular and ionic, and they're very different in how they form and behave. A molecular compound is made when two or more nonmetals share electrons. This kind of bond is called a covalent bond. Because they share electrons instead of transferring them, the atoms stay connected as small, separate molecules. Examples include water, carbon dioxide, and methane. Molecular compounds usually have low melting and boiling points because the forces between their molecules are weak. Many of them are gases or liquids at room temperature. They also usually don't conduct electricity because there are no free-moving charged particles. An ionic compound, on the other hand, forms between a metal and a nonmetal. The metal gives up electrons and the nonmetal takes them. This creates positive and negative ions that attract each other, forming a strong ionic bond. A common example is sodium chloride, also known as table salt. Ionic compounds form giant crystal lattice with repeating patterns of ions. They have high melting and boiling points because those ionic bonds are very strong. They usually dissolve in water, and when they do, they can conduct electricity because the ions are free to move. So, to sum it up, molecular compounds share electrons, they're made of molecules, and are usually softer, lower melting, and poor conductors. Ionic compounds transfer electrons, they form solid crystals that are hard, have high melting points, and conduct electricity when dissolved or melted. That's the difference between molecular and ionic compounds, same goal of bonding atoms, but completely different ways of doing it.